Hi students, Miss Miles here. Thanks for stopping by the Miles Ahead classroom. Today I have a fun assignment. We're going to use our ears to distinguish between the different sounds of animals. Are you ready? Here we go. What do you hear? You heard a cow. What do you hear? You heard a horse. What do you hear? You heard a duck. What do you hear? You heard a bird. What do you hear? You heard a cat. What do you hear? You heard a dog. What do you hear? You heard a frog. What do you hear? You heard a chicken. What do you hear? You heard a pig. What do you hear? You heard a rooster. What do you hear? You heard sheep. Great job, students. Way to use your ears to distinguish between the different sounds that animals make. Students, I'm so grateful you came by the Miles Ahead classroom. Until next time, just remember, you're miles ahead of the game.